Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on whitening your teeth at home. So basically I know we're all in quarantine. Like I said in my past videos, it's a perfect time to take advantage and take care of yourself and take more notice of things maybe that you haven't done before. And if you're just wondering how to whiten your teeth at home, just keep on watching because I will teach you how. Before that, I am going to show you guys which product I am using to whiten your teeth at home. I have it right here, and honestly I've been using this product for about, I'd say like a little bit more than 3 years, because ever since I discovered it, it honestly has, like, I've seen a difference every time I use it. And it is this product right here. Let me see, put it closer for you guys so you guys can see it a little bit better. Alrighty, so let me read it for you guys. So basically it is the Plus White 5-minute speed whitening system. It is a professional dental tray and it comes with 3 products. And the three products are the speed whitening gel, the dental tray, which is this blue thing right here that you are going to be putting the product in and putting it on your teeth. And the last thing is the stain guard rinse. But if I'm honest, I honestly don't use this third product. I don't know. I just tend to use the regular like Listerine and mouthwash. But this time I will be giving it. So basically I wanted to show you guys the 3 products up close. This is the dental tray, and honestly it's like a gummy, like a very plastic. It's very comfortable for your teeth, so it shouldn't bother you. So it comes with these 2 products. The dental tray. This is the product right here. Basically this is what whitens your teeth, and as you can see it's a pretty big tube. And then the last product would be the stain guard rinse. It's the dental whitening rinse. If I'm honest, I don't really use this product, but like I mentioned, because if I'm honest, these 2 products have worked wonders for my teeth, so I feel like why not try this third one, right? So basically this is what whitens your teeth. So in the back it tells you use any method, a cotton swab, mouth tray, or a toothbrush, which means you don't honestly have to use the blue dental tray, but that's just what I prefer because it is what the product brings, and honestly it's awesome. And it says allow 5 minutes for the bleaching action of the gel to take effect. So that is the key of this product. It takes 5 minutes for it to actually start working on your teeth. So basically the product starts bubbling up and it starts making like a white foam, and that is exactly what whitens your teeth. I know it says here in the packaging it's 5 minutes, but it actually takes 5 minutes to start whitening your teeth. So in the back of the product it says usually for very stained teeth, keep the whitening gel on your teeth for 15 to 20 minutes. Honestly, that is actually what I've been doing. The first try, I remember like I mentioned 3 years ago, like I left it on for 5 minutes, but that was before I read the instructions. And even after 15 to 20 minutes my teeth are honestly white. I don't use this every day, but I will get with that information in the end of the video. But yeah, basically, let's see if you finish reading the instructions. It says immediately after the desired time is reached, rinse the gel from your mouth with cool water, which is very true. Follow the above directions twice daily for the first two weeks. After 2 weeks, use the product once or twice a week as needed to maintain the desired whitening level. All right, so that's actually what I did. I used it about 2 times a week until I noticed that my teeth were white, and then I stopped using it. I will go on a little bit further, like I said, on this product, but I just want to mention this before I finish because this is going to be something new that I will be using today, because I feel like I mentioned, these 2 have worked wonders with my face, so I'm interested in using this. So basically this is a stain guard rinse. It's a dental whitening rinse. The directions says swish a capful of Plus White stain guard, rinse in mouth for 15 to 20 seconds and rinse. Yeah, basically it's like a blue liquid. The advice is try not to floss your teeth before using this product. I tend to floss my teeth at least once a day, every night, and I've noticed that even for all of us, I'm sure it happens to all of us, even if we do floss every day, we might irritate our gums, we might go a little bit too hard, too rough, and then we have a little bit swollen gums. So I wouldn't recommend using this if you're like I wouldn't recommend using this if you have floss, because I'm not gonna lie, you have to be real, it does kind of like burn. It, you know, it's gonna burn. Like, it's a product. It's literally gonna whiten your teeth. So I wouldn't recommend using this. I wouldn't recommend flossing before using this product. I would recommend just brushing your teeth and then putting on this product, and then if you like, you can floss. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how this works, and I'll see you in the bathroom. And I don't know, maybe you're like me. While I'm talking about this product, I'm sure a lot of you guys are looking at my teeth to see, are her teeth really white? But yeah, I'm here in natural sunlight. This is my teeth look like right now. If I'm honest, I haven't used this product, oh my god, in so long, but I went to Rite recently and I've seen this, so I was like, this would be a really good product, because I really do swear by this product. I've always been interested in like whitening my teeth in a dentist, but until then, this will do, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So if you want to know how to whiten your teeth at home, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom now, and I'm going to apologize beforehand, because in my bathroom, I'm sure I'm probably the very few people that have their washer and dryer in the bathroom. Like, my bathroom is pretty big, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do the mixture. So all that you do, you really just open the plastic. I know I'm doing this in my bed, but it's just to show you guys. You just open this product. Again, this is a product that's going to whiten your teeth. This is just a rinse. Don't mind my dog, oh my god. While I'm doing my video, these are my two pups literally looking out the window because they're Puerto Rican and newsy like their owners. Like I had mentioned, this is a product that whitens your teeth. So you're going to open this up, and it, oh wow. So I guess I was pushing the product all along once I was holding it. So this is a great example of being very cautious while you're opening this product. So basically, this product right here on the tube, I'm not going to use it. It's a waste. I'm just going to wash it off and throw it in the trash. This is the clear liquid that you're going to be using, and as you can see, it's very clear. Oh my god, this looks funny. So basically, very important, this mouth guard has words on top and on the bottom, which obviously indicates how you're going to put on the tray. Right here, I know you guys can see it says top, so basically it's going to go on just upwards, just like that on your teeth. So what you do is you put a little bit. This is about the amount that I put on my mouth, and oh my god, you can hear my dogs barking in the background. And you're gonna turn the product around. Don't be scared, because it's not gonna drop. And you're just gonna put the rest on right here. And then, all right guys, so right now I have my sister as a videographer. She's trying to help me out because it is difficult to just, you know, do everything with one hand. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna take the tray, and I'm gonna show you guys my teeth beforehand. This is what they look like before. They're pretty light, and I honestly I like the level that they're in, but yeah, I haven't used this product in a while, so I want to see what it actually is gonna do with my teeth that are almost white. So this is an example. Like I said, I'm comfortable with my teeth. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna put this mouth guard in your mouth just like this. Product off my teeth, and I literally forgot to mention that once you put in this product and like those 5 minutes pass by, like the product will start bubbling up in your teeth, and you know, like you can't just be sitting down like I was. Obviously it was just for the video purposes, but it's really important, and I would recommend to go in into your bathroom and just staying there like near the sink, or have something that if the product starts bubbling, you know, it's not going to land in your bed or anything really important. But now well, it's time for this. But basically, this is what my teeth look after, what they look like afterwards. I noticed a little bit of a difference, but honestly, this is the type of product that, you know, you have to continuously use it to see a difference. But I don't see that much of a difference, because I have, like I said, used this product before, and it has, you know, it whitened my teeth enough where like my teeth haven't gotten yellow or haven't, you know, gotten stained with coffee and stuff like that. But yeah, now time for this product. Basically it's like a blue color. It comes closed like that. You just have to open it really quickly. I did change location. I'm in my restroom and I did put my hair up because, you know, I have to spit the product out and everything. So I just want to show you guys really quick. So let's see, it's saying to use about a capful. So what I technically like to do is clean this product and literally dump the product in here, and I'm gonna put this amount on my teeth, or rinse it with my teeth. So I just want to show you guys the color that it is. It is like a blue color, right? There you go, you guys can see it a little bit. So I'm just going to put it in my mouth and then swish it off a little bit, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back and I don't know why I have my AirPods on, but I just finished using this product and oh my god, it literally tastes just like mint. I feel like this is what's going to keep. Why is this dirty? It's my makeup literally. Okay, I wiped it off. So basically I feel like this stain guard rinse is to protect and prevent you from having to use the product a lot, so that if you whiten your teeth the first time and you like the way it came out, you know, you use this to prevent the amount of times that you're going to be using it, if that makes any sense. But yeah, basically I just finished using this product and it tastes just like mint, and it was pretty awesome. I feel like I am going to keep using this to see if it does any difference, because like I said, I would disregard this product and always use Listerine, but I really like it. So, and this is how I literally whiten my teeth at home, and how I've kept a level of white teeth that I've been happy with. So if you're interested in looking for a product to whiten your teeth at home, I would definitely recommend this. Once again, this is the product that I use to whiten my teeth, and you can literally find this anywhere. I can say Walmart, Target, but the place where I've always found it would be Rite, and it goes for about $12 to $15. The first time I bought it, which was like 3 years ago, it was about like $11.99, almost like $13 with tax. But now I feel like the price is going up, because I feel like a lot of people are realizing that this product does work, and you know, like it can go for a bigger amount and people will still buy it. But yeah, this is literally the product that I bought. I will be linking it down below if you're interested. So yeah, if you're interested in whitening your teeth at home, I definitely recommend this, and it's been something that I've been wanting to show on my channel, because I just want to be as true and honest as possible and share you guys which products work for me. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you guys do notice, my hair is like way blonder, like so blonde, but in regards to my next video, I definitely am really excited for that one as well, because I just ordered the Fanola No Yellow product, and it's literally like a blue shampoo that a lot of people have been raving about all over social media. And yeah, I always wanted to order it and I finally did, so I'm waiting for it to come in the mail, because I am kind of happy with the level of blonde that my hair is, but I feel like I need a toner, and literally my hair is this blonde with the I don't know why I'm out of breath with one of my videos. The products that I use is in one of my videos, and basically it's the only video right now that I feel a lot of people are like watching and like are really interested in. So if you're interested in how I got my hair blonde, I'm gonna also link that video down below, and I use like a highlighting kit that I bought once again from Rite. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, to subscribe, and comment if you bought this product, or if it worked for you, or if it didn't. So thank you once again for watching.